Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. What is the name of the galaxy our solar system belongs to? Milky Way. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? Mercury. Which celestial body is sometimes called Earth's sister planet? Venus. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. What is the main theory describing the universe's origin? Big Bang. Which planet has the most prominent and extensive ring system? Saturn. What is a light year a unit of? Distance. Which star is closest to Earth, other than the Sun? Proxima Centauri. What is the coldest known place in the universe? Boomerang Nebula. What type of celestial body is a pulsar? Neutron star. The region between Mars and Jupiter is known for what? Asteroid belt. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. How many planets are in our solar system, excluding dwarf planets? 8. What force keeps the planets in orbit around the Sun? Gravity. Which planet rotates on its side? Uranus. What is the visible surface of the Sun called? Photosphere. What is another name for the North Star? Polaris. What are comets primarily made of? Ice, dust, and rock. Which dwarf planet was reclassified in 2006? Pluto. The term for an alignment of 3 celestial bodies is syzygy. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? Venus. What is the largest moon in the solar system? Ganymede. Who proposed the heliocentric model of the solar system? Nicolaus Copernicus. What is the approximate time it takes sunlight to reach Earth? 8 minutes, 20 seconds. Which celestial body is Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto moons of? Jupiter. What is the minimum speed a meteoroid travels when it enters Earth's atmosphere? Greater than 11 kilometers per second. What color is the hottest kind of star? Blue. The first artificial satellite launched into space was Sputnik 1. What term is used for a piece of space rock that lands on Earth? Meteorite. Which planet has a day rotation period that lasts longer than its year orbital period? Venus. What is a supernova? An exploding star. What is the composition of approximately 85% of matter in the universe? Dark matter. Which planet is known for the Great Red Spot? Jupiter. Who was the first woman in space? Valentina Tereshkova. What is the primary gas component of Mars' atmosphere? Carbon dioxide. What is the farthest region of the solar system believed to be the source of long-period comets? Oort cloud. The first American woman in space was Sally Ride. Which space telescope was launched in 1990 and revolutionized astronomy? Hubble. What ultimately will the Sun become after it expands into a red giant? White dwarf. Which planet has the highest density? Earth. What is the phenomenon when the Sun is exactly above the equator, making day and night equal length? Equinox. Which planet is named after the Roman god of the sea? Neptune. The boundary beyond which no light or information can escape a black hole is called the event horizon. What is the term for a natural satellite orbiting a planet? Moon. Which space agency launched the Apollo missions? NASA. What is the most distant object visible to the naked eye? Andromeda Galaxy. Which planet has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons? Mars.